Alright, so I'll be taking my truck today to the shop to get the transmission rebuilt, and they're gonna do a full delete kit on it. We're gonna see what it sounds like before and after. I'm already pushing 228,000 miles. It's time for a rebuild. So I finally got the dually back last night, about 11, 12 o'clock. It already sounds a little bit tougher. I'm gonna change that pipe, put a tip on the end. So I got them to rebuild the transmission and a complete rebuild and a delete on it as well.